guys, so today our topic is how to fix ldplayer installation. So first of all, please like and subscribe my channel. Also the download link in description. First of all, go to window option, window icon, click on and search antivirus. After going to antivirus, you need to go virus and threat protection setting. Click on manage settings and turn off all these settings. So this is how you can perfectly install your ld player after disabling antivirus in your browser. So then go to ld player. If your ld player stuck after installation, go to settings and you can check here diagnostic information. So here you can see your codes or resolution according to your player. As you can see, I have 4 cores and 2 GB RAM. Operating parameter, you have to adjust according to these parameters and 60 fps, otherwise your player gonna stuck after installation. So adjust your setting according to these. So go to settings, go to advanced. As you can see here, 4 cores. So my recommended 4 cores selected and RAM is 2 GB. So RAM is also 2 GB. As you can see, resolution so and 60 fps. So this is how you can install and perfectly run your ld player. So please like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and ld player download link in description. So bye.